subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you can receive my further notification first. Kavitha Creations.
Hi, hello friends, I'm Vikas D from Kavitha Creations. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pen stand from disposal cup or a paper cup. Okay, it's very easy, you can do it, and the materials are also easily accessible. This is Kavitha Creations, don't lose it, let's use it. Okay, let's see the materials. You'll need a disposal cup or a paper cup, and a pencil, a glue, a sketch pen or a marker, a scissor, and some color paper. Okay, let's first take a paper and fold it to the middle and draw a circle. Draw a bit smaller circle. Okay, now take one more paper and draw same like that, but it should be it should be like a ear. Yeah, I drew it. Okay, now it's time to cut. Okay, see, now I cut it down. Now what you have to do is take the pink paper and you should make same like this ear only, but a bit smaller ear than this white paper. Okay, see, I drew it. Now it's time to cut. Okay, be careful while cutting. Okay, see, I cut it down, and it's smaller than my bigger ear also. Okay, now you should stick this. Okay, like this you should stick this one. And one more thing, you should make 3 strips like this also with white paper. What you have to do is you should keep like this and this one across like this. See, see, like this you will do now. Okay, and take a piece of paper, pink paper, and stick it here like this. See, now it looks good also. Okay, let's stick everything. Okay, see, I stuck it, and these 2 ears also. Okay, now it's ready. I'll keep this aside. Take the 2 circles which you made and take the sketch pen and draw 2 little eyeballs inside that, like this. Okay, now I've sticked it. Now you take this one and paste it here like this, and take 2 eyes here, paste it here one and here also one. Okay, see, it's ready now. Okay, now you can keep things in it. I'm keeping. See, it even stands also. This is very nice craft. The materials are also very easily accessible. See, it stands. It's very nice. Okay, hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. I think you like this craft. Okay, please subscribe our channel Kavitha Creations and like and share this video. This is Kavitha Creations. Don't lose it. Let's use this.
Kavitha Creations.